Nice one, guys. So right now I'm in the kitchen and I'm just gonna make a simple little apple juice. But look at this one I'm gonna do. Cause I got some lemon and I got some lime, and I'm gonna put some lime inside of it. Cause if you have a good blender, it come in really handy for you. All right. Now I got about 6 apples where I'm gonna be using. So that's gonna just simple cut them up and put them straight inside of it. And I got some lemon, I got some ginger, especially if you have a good blender, trust me, you can't go wrong. I'm gonna put a cup of water in it to free up the blender. Just gonna simple blend him up, and then we are very good to go. Alright guys, so yeah, it's just a simple little recipe to decide to share with you what the guys can do at home. Alright, you don't need, just keep it natural, no honey, because you know what happens is sweet. Nice one. Do not stress yourself. Just a simple little thing decide to share with you here, guys. Alright, now what we're going to do is run it through my strainer. Alright, so yeah, keep it real simple. So when you have a lot of apple, you don't even get too much juice out of it, honestly. It's just a little bit I get out of it. You don't get a lot of juice when you have a lot of apple. You still not get a lot, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so that's how we normally do it at home, alright? Smells so nice. A lot of ginger and a lot of lemon. Wow. Nice one. Yeah, we just keep it simple in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Trust me. Never go wrong, guys, with a juice like this. Apple juice can't go wrong. Yeah, I mean that. Right there. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna simple shear it up now. Alright. Just simple little recipe like this, guys, and I can just do something like this at home. You know what I mean? And you'll be happy. Just like that. Can't go wrong. Yeah. Ah, that is it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Alright, subscribe is very important. Don't forget to click on the notification bell, and also, yeah, stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo and the team. We got a lot more recipe like this, guys. Honestly, apple juice can't go wrong. In the kitchen, you make this. Yep, they are very good. Can't go wrong in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo and the apple juice, guys. Honestly, I did a video like this back in the days, back then, but you know what I mean? Sometimes I still give you guys an update on the version. Thank you so much for watching.